Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Compass Podcast.
Hello, hello. It's so nice to see you again.
Today is a very special day because it's day 1 of our new challenge.
That's right. 30 days, 30 lessons. And today, we start with something super important.
If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Lisa.
And my name is Mark. And together, we are going to help you speak English every single day.
So please, before we start, hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon. This way, you won't miss any lesson.
We post a new video every day, so subscribing really helps you stay on track with us.
Okay, Mark, are you ready to start day 1?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
So today's topic is introduce yourself.
This is one of the first things you need in English, because every day you meet new people.
Exactly. At work, at school, on the street, you always need to say who you are.
And don't worry, we will keep it simple. Slow words, easy sentences, and lots of repetition.
Let's go step by step. Are you ready? Let's start with your name.
Okay, Lisa, ask me a question.
Sure. Mark, what is your name?
My name is Mark. My name is Mark.
Great. Now it's my turn. Mark, ask me the same question.
Okay, Lisa, what is your name?
My name is Lisa.
See, it's very easy. You just say, my name is, and then your name.
Try it now. Pause the video and say it out loud. My name is... Next question. Mark, where are you from?
I am from the United States. I am from America.
Nice. And me. I am from England. I am from the UK.
So the pattern is, I am from, plus your country.
Now it's your turn. Say it with us. I am from...
Write your country in the comments below. We want to know where you are watching from.
Okay, next one is a little personal, but it's okay. How old are you, Mark?
I am 30 years old.
And I am 28 years old.
So we say, I am years old.
Simple, right? Let's practice together. Say your age in your head right now in English.
Now, Lisa, what is your job?
I am a teacher. I teach English.
Nice. I am a teacher too. Well, actually, I am a YouTube teacher.
That's true. So we say, I am a, and then your job. Doctor, engineer, student, teacher, driver.
Whatever your job is, just put it after, I am a.
If you are a student, you say, I am a student.
Let's talk about family now. Lisa, do you have a big family?
Yes, I have a husband and 2 children. I have a son and a daughter.
That's lovely. I have a wife and we have 1 daughter.
So we can say, I have a husband/a wife, and I have 2 children, or I have 1 son and 1 daughter.
And if you don't have children yet, you can say, I don't have children.
Or maybe you live with your parents. You can say, I live with my mother and my father.
Perfect. Family words are very useful, so let's repeat them together. Mother, father, brother, sister, husband, wife, son, daughter.
Okay, a fun question now. Mark, do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max.
Aw, I love dogs. I have a cat. Her name is Luna.
So we say, I have a dog, or I have a cat. And then his/her name is...
And if you don't have a pet, just say, I don't have any pets.
Tell us in the comments. Do you have a dog, a cat, or maybe a bird?
Last topic. Let's talk about things we love and things we don't love.
Okay, Lisa, what do you like?
I like coffee, I like reading books, and I like sunny days.
Nice. I like pizza. I like football. And I like music.
And now, what do you not like, Mark?
I don't like rainy days, and I don't like waking up early.
Me too. I don't like traffic, and I don't like spicy food.
So remember, I like for things you love, and I don't like for things you don't love.
Simple and useful. You will use these sentences every single day.
Okay, let's put everything together now. Lisa, can you introduce yourself completely using everything we learned today?
Hi, my name is Lisa. I am from England. I am 28 years old. I am a teacher. I have a husband and 2 children. I have a cat. Her name is Luna. I like coffee and reading books. I don't like spicy food.
Perfect. Now it's my turn. Hello, my name is Mark. I am from the United States. I am 30 years old. I am a teacher too. I have a wife and one daughter. I have a dog. His name is Max. I like pizza and football. I don't like waking up early.
See? That's a complete introduction, and it's not difficult at all.
And listen, don't worry about making mistakes. Every beginner makes mistakes. That's totally normal.
The most important thing is just speak. Speak slowly, speak simply, but speak.
Practice your own introduction today. In the shower, in the car, or in front of the mirror.
The more you say it, the easier it becomes. Trust us.
Okay, everyone, that's it for day 1. Great job staying with us until the end.
Now, here's your homework for today. In the comments below, write your own introduction using what you learned. My name is, I am from, I am years old. I am, I have.
We will read your comments, so don't be shy. Practice makes perfect.
And if you enjoyed this lesson, please give us a thumbs up. Share it with a friend who is learning English, and subscribe if you haven't yet.
Tomorrow, on day 2, we will learn how to talk about your daily routine. It's going to be so useful.
See you tomorrow, everyone!
Bye-bye. Keep practicing.